If you're still struggling on how to fix scratch this error in Photoshop, here are ways on how to fix it. So the option 1 is to clear your Photoshop cache. So basically you want to empty the cache or the scratch disk in Photoshop by emptying your cache and by simply going and turning on the automatic delete for the cache when you exit the program. And some items can be missed. So first, open Photoshop and select the Edit tab and click the Purge button. Then select all to clear every cache or select any individual cache you want to clear, like the clipboard, histories, or video cache. Then here's another option. Simply delete the Photoshop temporary files. Save your important projects to avoid accidentally deleting something you'll miss. Then basically exit your Adobe programs, search in your Finder for /tmp and open the TMP folder. Check if you have any folders named Photoshop temp followed by a string of numbers. Then you want to empty all your data or your cache. Then here's another option. You can delete the hidden Photoshop files. Simply just go to your folder and look for Photoshop folder and empty existing hidden files in Photoshop. Then you want to increase the Photoshop's RAM allowance. Open Photoshop on your settings or task manager, then simply go to the performance and simply enable the RAM usage of your Photoshop. Then you want to disable the auto recovery. So open your Photoshop, click the Photoshop menu, then select the settings and file handling. Then in file saving options, deselect the automatically save recovery information. And then lastly is to clear your disk space, because Photoshop requires a minimum of 6 GB of space to create a scratch disk, but 20 GB is recommended. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification